station. We are broadcasting.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to DJ SHERWIN Vlog, and maraming salamat sa walang patid na pag-follow, pag-subscribe, and pagpanonood ng aking mga videos. And since monetize na tayo, ang pinaka-goal ko ngayon ay magkaroon tayo ng 2,000 subscribers or 2,000 followers. Ngayon guys, to tell you at this very time na we are taping this episode, naka 2,000 followers na tayo or subscribers sa YouTube. And promise ko sa sarili ko na pag mag 2,000 na tayo, ang tatawag ko sa inyo, dahil ngayon wala pa tayong tawag, itatawag ko sa inyo ay Win Nation. Yay! Yan, Win Nation na ang tatawag ko sa inyo guys, kasi wala pa akong tawag sa inyo. If you can remember, ang tawag ko sa inyo guys lang, whatever. Pero ngayon, Win Nation. Remember the name? Win Nation ito guys. And second good news for tonight is meron na tayong mga sponsors na ating i-review soon sa mga next na mga episode natin, sa mga vlogs natin. May review na tayo ng mga products. Yan, so mga beauty products and men's products and kahit ano, damit, pang facial ba dyan, lotion, whatever, lahat-lahat pwede natin gagamitin at gagawa natin ng review guys. And as promised, meron na tayong magsa-sponsor sa mga product reviews natin na gagawin. So, introducing ANDRZEJ SHOP sa Lazada and sa Shopee guys. So, once again, the name is ANDRZEJ SHOP sa Lazada and Shopee. So, I'll put the link below sa description, and dito din, ito yung shop nila guys sa Shopee and Lazada. Maraming salamat sa sponsorship soon sa mga susunod na natin na mga vlogs. And guys, eto na nga guys, magre-review tayo ngayon ng relo. Introducing Casio watch or Casio watch. So, actually, dalawa ang pronunciation nitong tinatawag natin na Casio because dito sa Pilipinas, sinasabi ng iba na Casio daw to. But if you're into search over the internet, pag makinig ka ng mga pronunciation from other countries, from international country, ang tawag naman nila doon or pronunciation nila doon is Casio. So, yun na guys, before ako magbigay ng review sa Casio watch na ating ibuksan ngayong gabi, so I'll give you an overview of the company. Casio or Casio watch is under the Casio Computers Company Limited, and nasa nasa Shibuya, Tokyo, Japan yung nila headquarters. And this company nagkikater ng mga products includes watches, digital and analog watches kagaya ng Casio watch, and meron din sila mga computers, electronics, mga gadgets at kung ano pa. It's a multinational commercial company. So, ang laki ng kumpanya ng Casio or Casio. Yan. So, once again, dito sa Pilipinas, Casio tawag natin. Pero sa ibang bansa yan, Casio. Yan. Okay. So, introducing Casio watch. So, ito na po guys. And guys, buksan na natin ang box na to na may laman na Casio watch. Ayan. So, ito po, pag bili ka nito, ganito siya. And it came along with, syempre, yung description and syempre, manual yan. And meron pang warranty card. So, itong warranty card na to guys, paano ba? Ayan. Basta ito yung warranty card. And syempre, yung relo mismo. Buksan natin. So, as usual, ito yung box. Para protection, kaya marami siyang mga layer dyan. And, ito na siya. Meron siyang foam. Kita nyo naman, sealed pa yan guys. Ito, makikita nyo. Wow, alam ko na vlogger na talaga. Tapos, ting, kunin natin yung parang unan-unan. Ito yung foam, para yung masira. And, syempre, may plastic. And, syempre, ayan. Actually, ang isa nito, dalawa yung binili ko. Isa, binigay ko sa father ko nung birthday niya. And then, yung isa, isusuot ko to guys. Ayan. So, may mga, ano ba siya, may tatak dito. Casio. Wow, Casio. Kung sa Pilipinas. Casio watch. Ayan, trend. And here we go. Ayan, so ngayon, buksan natin yung may plastic pa siya kasi. Ayan, so plastic, kunin natin yung plastic. Taran! And the other one, here we go. Huwag tayo magkalat dito pa, pagalitan tayo ng ating director. Taran! Oh, wow! See? Ang ganda! Amazing! Ay po, Sir Betong. Try natin isuot, syempre kung bagay dito sa atin. Ayan. Kahit saan naman tayo bibili, mahaba talaga tong ano niya, strap. hindi siya strap eh pag stainless strap. So ngayon, actually itong relo na to is two-tone pala to kasi silver and gold plated. Yan yung sasabi ko kanina, so dalawa siya. Ang ganda nito, sa tingin ko lang. So try natin suot syempre para masubukan na natin. Ang ganda nito. Ayan. Ang ganda siya actually.
Now listen to the full description and full specifications of this watch. This is Casio Men's Analog Two-Tone Stainless Steel Strap Watch. The full descriptions are as follows. Brand, Casio. Material used in manufacturing, stainless steel. It has 1-year limited manufacturer warranty. It has also triple fold clasp, stainless steel band, mineral glass, gold iron plated band. It is also a 50-meter water resistance watch. It has also a date display in it. It has a regular timekeeping. And as you can see, it has 3 hands. The hour hand, minute hand, and the second hand. And its accuracy is plus minus 20 seconds per month. And the total weight is 118 grams. That is the Casio Men's Analog Two-Tone Stainless Steel Strap Watch. Well, it is very comfortable and fashionable to wear, yet affordable price. Perfect for all occasions, such as indoor and outdoor activities like weddings, graduations, anniversaries, business meetings, event hosting, company activities, special gatherings, family gatherings, and whole lot more.
Introducing Casio Men's Two-Tone Analog Steel Strap. And that's it guys, thank you so much for watching our DJ Sherwin vlog, and sana nag-enjoy kayo and sana marami kayong leksyon na natutunan. And that's for our review from Casio Watch Men Analog Two-Tone Stainless Steel Strap. Ayan, sus na itawid talaga, ang hirap guys. And maraming salamat guys. Huwag kalimutan, salamat sa sa ANDRZEJ SHOP. Yan, available sa Shopee at saka Lazada. Magpapadala sila ng mga produkto soon. Yay! Ting 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 ting. Guys, don't forget to hit subscribe if hindi pa kayo naka-subscribe, and hit the bell button para may mga videos ako, you will be notified. So, updated kayo sa mga uploaded videos ko, and put your comments down below. And guys, don't forget to suggest na gusto niyo i-vlog ko. Yan, maraming salamat. Bye-bye!